In the previous video at Strasburg, you saw Amtrak engines outside. We're now in this museum, and there's PRR 7002, Conrail 2233, PRR 4465, PRR 4935. I'm standing right next to PRR 1223 and PRR 1187 in there. So yes, this is a really neat museum. Go check them out, Pennsylvania Railroad Museum. And this is for all the Conrail men out there. Okay, so now I'm outside in the train yard. Here's PRR 3750, PRR 6755. Step over the tracks here so I can show you the other engines. Here's PRR 520 and PRR 7688. So if you're into old steam locomotives, you might like this museum. Like I like this museum. It's pretty cool. Back this way, you can't see it, but there's the E6. There's the E6 and the AM7, 603, the old 603, and 915. I stand corrected. 603 I said was an AM7 in the last video. I did further research and it turns out to be a E6. Just because I can, a closer look at 915. Rest in peace, AM7s, replaced by the ACS 64s. A minute ago, I heard Strasburg Railroad's 8618. They were doing some switching earlier, so. And here's a look at the front of 3750. I don't think I showed this off on the first clip, but this is PRI number 460. It's like a pretty nice steam engine. So this is the last part of the museum. I believe it's the last part. Here's 4935, 4465, Conrail engine number 2233. Once again, if you're a Conrail guy, this is for you. The GP30. 7006 PRR 94 over here. And there's another PRR engine. I'm gonna run to it so that way I don't have as much storage saved. Here we go, 5721 and 5901, another PRR engine here. But yeah, here is 5741 and 94. This is either a replica or what used to be Norfolk Southern engine number 2898. If it was 2898, then this is the front of a GP38. But something tells me that it's a replica.